Hi, good morning. I'm Nicholas Morgan, a client portfolio manager here at npower's Optimisation Desk. Welcome to today's market update on Wednesday, the 12th of October. So to start with this morning, prices have firmed up a touch across the gas curve. We are yet to see any direction in the power market, but we'd expect it to follow the gas curve. So that's mainly due to gains in the Brent oil market over the past couple of days and a tighter gas system this morning. So that's the key headline this morning. If you'd like to continue listening, please do. Otherwise, we've got an email address displayed below, or do give us a call. Brilliant. Moving on, the gas system is forecast to close within balance this morning. This is a combination of demand being higher than seasonal normal. Demand is expected to remain at those levels for the rest of this week and into next. Temperatures are outturning slightly cooler than seasonal normal temperatures at the moment, which is adding to the kind of bullish picture for the gas system today. On the power side, the power peak margins have come down from yesterday. It was 11 gigawatts yesterday. It's outturning, expected to outturn it around 8 this morning. So we're expecting a tighter power system as a result. Within that, we've got pretty decent wind generation at the moment. It's currently around 2 gigawatts and is expected to hit highs of just over 5 gigawatts this afternoon. CCG, gas-fired power generation, is making up the majority of the power stack at around 58%. The French interconnector is, however, struggling to reverse the flows back to the UK at the moment. They're still recovering from their nuclear outages, which were in place last week. The Dutch interconnector, on the other hand, is exporting to the UK at their capacity levels. On the Brent oil market side, Brent sort of prices have slightly firmed up since yesterday, although they've been trading pretty sideways since news has come out from certain areas in the market suggesting that Russia would be unwilling to actually go through with a production cut. Although Vladimir Putin, the Russian leader, has supported the idea of having a production cut and supporting the market, we're yet to see any sort of deal, what it looks like. This is due to take place in November, but still uncertainty remains around who and what levels are going to be allocated to each members and non-members. Within this, we've also got the US, who are the biggest oil producer at the moment, and they haven't really been involved in these discussions. So at the moment, there's only a certain part of the market that are going to be affected by this cut, but there's still decent amount of support for firming up prices as a result of these uncertainties. On the pound side, the pound rallied slightly this morning as the UK Prime Minister Theresa May suggested that the Parliament would be able to vote on certain areas of the Brexit negotiations, although the idea that there will be an open table on negotiations is not accurate. The idea is that the market won't experience a hard Brexit leave, which could harm the UK economy. Instead, it's going to be pretty transparent in the parliamentary debate area. So the pound is currently worth around 1.11 euros, which it's been trading at around 1.10 recently. So it's had a few gains. That's it for today's market update. If you've got any questions, do get in touch. Otherwise, we'll see you at the same time tomorrow. Thanks.